Deal with pornography addiction. What is the key cause for people to get addicted to pornography? Is it loneliness, or the want to be loved with passion? Does it begin with exploring? Is it lust, or is it the whetstone for a warped mind? Well, different people have different views about watching too much of porn, and strangely, pornography is the largest online business with the most number of internet searches going out to the porn industry. Some people just think it's time to pass, while on the other hand it is fun and exciting for some. And then there are those who look for every opportunity to watch porn, whether in secrecy or in a blatantly unreserved manner. Pornographic addiction can also be because of too much sex activities in one's life or the total lack of it. Pornography addiction is just like somebody craving to have a cigarette. Some people watch porn simply for the sake of watching, others do it to excite themselves. There are people addicted to pornography because they want to imitate every act in their own sexual lives, and there are even those who do it because of depression. Most of the people might not even know if they are addicted to it or not, because watching too much of porn becomes their habit and they feel as if their life revolves around it. However, such people do not realize that it can also become dangerous for them in a way. They might not realize that having such a kind of addiction can have negative consequences in their lives. They might just start to neglect their responsibilities towards their work, or might also land up in embarrassing situations at work or a college campus. Pornography can also cause problems in relationships, such as creating an emotional distance with the one you love. People may also lose a relationship due to this. But have you ever wondered, is there a cure for it? Can people actually get out of this addiction or not? Yes, there is a way of overcoming pornography addiction. People can make a list about the positives and negatives of watching too much of porn, and what are their views about it. What is it that is making them do this? They should start spending more time with their family and friends and not stay alone for a long time. Self-analysis is important to help you rid your inner evils. You can seek a more pleasurable and beautiful experience from a real relationship where sexual acts have a meaning. Busy yourself with extracurricular activities like playing table tennis or maybe go for a swim, basically trying to identify what can help them relax, and at the same time enjoy the activity and feel refreshed. Most important is to find a solution as to what makes them happy about life and think positive. If a person thinks positive and accepts the challenges of life, he can overcome any kind of addiction, provided you have the determination and the right attitude towards life. If you find it difficult to adhere to self-help, disclose your problem to a close one and let them guide you. Seeking medical as well as psychological help can sometimes be necessary.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.